and welcome to the Build Better podcast, where we talk about everything construction, engineering, and creating safer, smarter job sites. I'm your host, Kelvin Kuyakang, and today we are diving into the topic that affects every worker, every supervisor, and every owner: construction site safety. Whether you are on a small residential site or a massive commercial project, safety is not optional, it is essential. Let's explore why safety matters, the common risks and the best practices that keeps everyone protected. Number one, why is construction safety matters? Construction is one of the most hazard-prone industries in the world. We deal with heavy machineries, heights, power tools, electricity, material handling, you can name it. And unfortunately, accidents can happen in a split of seconds. But here is the good news: most construction accidents are preventable. A safer site means fewer injuries, higher productivity, less project downtime, and most importantly, everyone goes home as safe as he came or she came. Safety isn't just a checklist, it is a mindset, a culture that must be practiced every day. Number two, common hazards on construction sites. Let's talk about the hazards workers face daily. Some of the biggest risks include, I'll mention first, falls from height, struck by accidents, electrical hazards, machineries and equipment, split, trip or fall hazards, and lastly, chemical hazards. Let's now discuss. Number one, fall from heights. Some of the heights are scaffolding, ladders, roofing. This remains the leading cause of injuries and fatalities in construction sites. Number two, struck by accidents. Vehicles reversing, falling objects, swinging loads from cranes are some of the struck by accidents that take place in construction sites. Number three, electrical hazards. This includes live wires, poorly insulated wires, temporary power lines. Number four, machinery and equipment accidents, e.g., excavators, forklifts, concrete mixers, power machineries that require trained hands. Number five, slip, trip, and fall hazards, which may include uneven surfaces, water spills, and construction materials lying around. Number six, chemical hazards, which include paints, adhesives, cement dust, and welding fumes. Being aware of these risks is the first step towards preventing them. Key safety practices. Now let's focus on what you can do to stay safe. These are the tried and true practices every site should enforce. I'll mention them. Wear proper PPEs, proper training, maintain clean work areas, follow safety signages, Use tools and machineries correctly. Practice good communication. Fall protection. Emergency preparedness. Now let's discuss them. Number one, wear proper PPEs. Personal protective equipment saves lives. Hand hats protect from falling objects. Gloves prevent cuts. Safety boots protect your feet. Reflective vests ensure visibility. And for specific tasks, respiratory masks, hearing protections protect your ear, and fall harnesses protect you from falling while working on heights. Number two, proper training. Never operate equipment you are not trained to use. Proper training reduces guesswork and ensure you understand the risks and the procedures before operating any machinery. Number three, maintain clean work areas. A tidy site is a safe site. Keep walkways clear. Store tools properly and dispose of waste in designated areas to ensure that the environment is safe to work from. Number four, follow safety signages. Signs like danger, high voltage, wear helmets, and no unauthorized access are not decorations. They are warnings that saves lives. Always take them seriously and follow what they say. Number five, use tools and machineries correctly. Read the manuals, inspect tools before use, report default equipment immediately. Don't take shortcuts. Practice good communication skill. That is number six. On-site communication is crucial. Use hand signages or signals, radios or verbal cues. Make sure everyone knows the plan, especially crane operators, drivers and ground crews. Number seven, fall protection. Use guardrails, scaffoldings, safety nets, and harnesses when working at height. Your life is more important than any deadline. Number eight, emergency preparedness. Know where first aid kits, fire extinguishers, and emergency exits are. Every site should have a trained first aid personnel. Safety culture is everyone's responsibility. Safety isn't a responsibility of the supervisor alone, it is a shared responsibility. Every worker must stay safe, alert, speak up, and follow procedures. This means reporting unsafe conditions, correcting hazards when you see them, encouraging your colleagues to follow safety procedures, never working under the influence of drugs or alcohol, and refusing unsafe work environment. A mature safety culture is one where workers feel empowered and voice concerns without fear. Remember, if you see something unsafe, say something. In conclusion, construction is a tough job, but it shouldn't be dangerous to anyone. When safety becomes a habit, accidents reduce, productivity rises, and everyone benefits. So whether you are mixing concrete, installing formworks, operating machinery, or supervising a site, put safety first. Your life, your family, and your future depends on it. Thank you for turning it to the Built Better podcast. If you found this episode helpful, share it with your team or follow construction workers. Stay safe, keep building. Until next time. Let's construct a safer world together.